Hey, hi guys. So in this video, we will be discussing about the best free social media management tools that you can use for your business. So let's get started. The first tool would be a tool named Social So this is an awesome social posting scheduling site that you can go ahead and try. So they have like scheduling option. You can uh, add webhooks, and there are a lot of more advantages when you use this particular platform. So let's see the pricing plan. So when you see this pricing plan, they have a free plan which is totally free. So where you can connect a single social profile and you can keep updating. Suppose you are a startup or you are just started your journey as a personal branding person, you can definitely go ahead, sign up in this particular social media tool, and you can start scheduling your posters. You can create a poster in canva.com. So canva.com is an amazing website where you can create a number of amazing posters, flyers, and other marketing materials. Maybe I will create a separate video on canva.com, and I can explain you more about this on a separate video. So you can create a poster on canva.com and you can just download and you can directly post over this, using this particular tool. So this is one of my favorite tools which I initially started using for my own personal brand. So you can definitely go ahead and give a try to that. So the second platform which I wanted to discuss with you is nothing else than buffer.com. So I believe like everyone would have heard about buffer.com. So it is a very user friendly social media platform where you can easily schedule your post and analyze the reports as well. So I use this particular platform for some of my clients because every month we need to submit a social media analytics report. So this particular platform offers great features. So I definitely request you to even try this platform. In Social Wound, you will be able to connect only one profile, but whereas in a buffer, in a free plan, you would be able to connect up to 3 accounts. So when you see this plan, you would be able to see that one user, they have 3 social channels and you can schedule up to 10 posts per month, which is good to go for a normal startup business or a personal branding person who is willing to go ahead new with the social media. And when you see their tools, you will be able to see that they have the publishing and analytics, and also you will be able to analyze the engagement. So one of the most important part when it comes to social media is it is not just publishing each and every content. Say you publish 15 posts per month, 20 posts per month, it doesn't matter because all the brands in the market are currently doing that. So how do you stay unique? So you need to make sure that you analyze your competitors based on their performance. You need to plan a proper social media marketing strategy and then use this particular platform and schedule your post. So when you schedule your post, you need to ensure that you always analyze at the month end. So this particular platform gives you the social media analytics and reporting option. So where there will be a dashboard where you can see your monthly followers, where you can see how many people have liked your page, how many people have commented to your post. So when you check this, you'll be able to analyze and improve your upcoming post as well. So analytics is one of the most important part. Suppose if you bag a client on for social media marketing, you can definitely go ahead, use this particular platform, create beautiful reports. So the next platform would be SEMrush. SEMrush is an amazing platform where I mostly stay in with. So SEMrush, you have to just sign in using semrush.com. Just create an account. So when you just create an account, you just this particular platform, they offer a wide number of tools for the marketers. So you can just go ahead and just create an account. So once you create an account, you can just create a project. You have to create a project. So this is completely free. So you have to just create a project, and once you create a project, you will be able to see a dashboard, something like this, where you will be able to schedule all your social media posts. You will be able to see something called social media dashboard. So where you will be able to schedule your posters, and you will be able to track. Suppose if you're running a social media campaign for your business, you can connect your Facebook ad manager account directly over here. So all the analytics part, you can directly log in into our SEMrush account, and you can just see. So this is how it works. And they also have a free social media toolkit course, which I have already taken, and it is really very informative. I request you to take if you're planning to start up a career in social media marketing, or if you want to do social media marketing for your business in a much better way. I definitely request you to take this course and get certified. So scheduling in this particular platform is really very easy. So they have given a lot of demo videos which you can check when you get into the website, or else I will record a separate video on SEMrush, because SEMrush is a wide platform. There are number of useful tools which I would definitely like to share with you. So probably in my next videos I will share I'll create a separate playlist for SEMrush, and I will keep updating post on how to use SEMrush in a effective manner. So one of the major advantage in SEMrush is like you can track your competitors. So compared to other platforms, you don't have this particular feature. You can just all you have to do is like you have to just add your competitor's name, and it will automatically give you their competitors social media links. So once that is done, you can all you have to do is you have to just save, and so every week you can just see the performance of your competitors. So that is really an added advantage when using SEMrush, and moreover it is completely free, so you need not spend any money for separately for a social media tool. So you can probably connect up to even 8 social media accounts. So I have been using this particular platform for an educational platform client, so where I used to connect their Google My Business, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook group. So probably it is really a great tool. I request you to go ahead and try this one as well. So the next tool I'm going to discuss with you would be later.com. So this is one of my favorite marketing tool for my Instagram. So as a personal branding person, I need to make sure that I have a proper tool where I can schedule all my posts, where I can schedule all my story. So I keep engaging with the people every day, now and then. So this particular platform offers you the scheduling option. They give you the Instagram analytics. I mean, suppose if you're having a personal or business account, you will be able to analyze your Instagram, just check how many people are following up every month. And I just need to definitely say about this. So linkedin.bio. So this is an amazing way where you can showcase your product. Suppose if you are having a product, you can definitely showcase your product using this particular link. So this particular link is available. I mean, LinkedIn bio. I mean, you can create a profile using this particular feature. You can track sales, and you can just add this particular link in your bio, something like this. So, so people who are checking into your Instagram profile will directly go to your link, and if they are, if they really like your product or something, they will just definitely go ahead and purchase. So a sale happens inside your Instagram profile, which is really cool feature. So apart from that, they give the option to schedule your Instagram stories. They give the option to add a number of Instagram hashtags, because like we really don't know which hashtag works. So apart from that, you have the Pinterest scheduling option, you have the TikTok scheduling option. So this is really a great platform where every single brand should definitely try. When we look at their plans, you'll be able to see that it is totally free for one social set. So one social set means it will be like Ruby and Naseem will be one brand, and in that we will have Instagram, Ruby and Naseem's Instagram, Ruby and Naseem's Facebook, Ruby and Naseem's Twitter, and Ruby and Naseem's Pinterest. So in that, using that, you can schedule up to 30 posts per social profile, which is really cool. So I definitely recommend you to go ahead, just try for a month. It is totally free, so you can just go ahead, try for a month, see whether it is working for you. If it is not working for you, then skip and look for another platform. That is what I recommend to my clients as well. If they're not satisfied with their analytics report or other things, so we switch to another platform which they are willing to use. So the next platform would be Crowdfire. So this is also a very cool social media management tool. So where you can schedule content, manage all your social accounts from one place. So I use the mobile app, which is really cool. So I don't sit and schedule each of my clients' social media in my desktop. I usually have a mobile app. So I have already connected all the social media accounts in their using Crowdfire mobile app. So I have to create a short description content. I have to add the relevant hashtags, and I add the picture, and that's it. I directly schedule it. So one of the cool feature of Crowdfire is like you have the option to add mentions, which is really cool. Suppose if you are a food blogger and you are posting something on a food, and you want to tag great food bloggers, so you can add a mention and get started with this platform. So when we look at the pricing, you would see that this particular platform is also free, so you can schedule up to 10 posts per month. Suppose if you are a food blogger, you can definitely go ahead with this platform. It doesn't apply only to food blogger, it can be any person, it can be any business. As you grow, you can upgrade to premium plans. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this is really informative for you. So I will be recording more videos to so that I can give a clear picture of what tools to use in digital marketing and how you can use it effectively. Thank you.